Hello students, today I'll be doing question number 5 of exercise 2.2. In this question we have find 1 by 2 of, in the first part we have 24 and in the second part we have 46. Now what we have to do here, it is said that in the first part we have 1 by 2 of 24. Now here of means we have to multiply, we will have to find the product. So 1 by 2 multiplied by 25. Now two ways we can multiply this. Either we will just multiply numerator by the numerator and denominator by the denominator. This way we can do this, and then whatever number comes, like here if you multiplied numerator by numerator, so we will get 24, and here we will consider as 1, so denominator multiplied by denominator is 2 ones are 2. Now since 24 and 2 both comes in 2's table, so we can cancel it, we can convert it into reduced term, so it will be 12. Or else we can cancel here only, like 2 and 24 both comes in 2's table, so we can cancel it directly. 2 ones are 2 and 2 12s are 24. Now see, in the denominator we have 1, and in the numerator if you multiply, then we will get 12 ones are 12. So 12 divided by 1 is 12. So the answer of part A is 12. Now in the next part we have again 1 by 2 of 46. So in the two part we have, second part we have 1 by 2 of 46. Now of means into again. So 1 by 2 will be multiplied by 46. Now see, here last digit is even number, so it can be cancelled by 2. So if we divide this, 2 ones are 2 and here we will consider as 1. So 2 ones are 2 and 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, means 23 twos are 46. Now we have got, if you multiply the numerator, we will get 23 by 1 is 23 and 1 by 1 is 1. So 23 by 1 means 23. So answer of part 1 and 2 is 12 and 24. Okay. Now in the second part we have 2 by 3 of 18 and 2 by 3 of 27. So question number 1 of number B will be 2 by 3, this one of, first one we have 18. Now 2 by 3 is multiplied by 18 and in the denominator we have nothing, so we will consider as 1. Now these 3 and 18 both comes in 3's table, so 3 ones are 3 and 3 6 are 18. So what will you get? If you multiply the numerator, will get 6 2's are 12, and if you multiply the denominator, then 1 ones are 1. So 12 divided by 1 means 12. Okay, this is the answer of first part of number B. Now the second part of number B, we have 2 by 3 of, so we will write 2 by 3 of, the second one we have 27. Okay, so 2 by 3 of is multiplication, so here we will have 27. Now here in the denominator we don't have any digit, so we will have to consider as 1. Okay, now this 3 and 27 both comes in 3's table, so we can cancel it. Okay, we can divide by 3, so 3 ones are 3 and 3 nines are 27. So what will you get after multiplication of the numerator? See, 9 twos are 18, and if you multiply the denominator, 1 ones are 1. So we have 18 by 1 means 18. So the second part of number B is 18. Okay, the second part of number B answer is 18. Now in the C part we have 3 by 4 of number 1 is 16. So here 3 by 4 of 16 we will have to find. So 3 by 4 of means multiplication, so 3 by 4 multiplied by 16. Now here again we will consider the denominator as 1, as there is no digit. So here both 4 and 16 comes in 4's table, so we can cut it by 4. So 4 ones are 4 and 4 4's are 16. So what we are getting after multiplication, 3 4's are 12. Okay, and 1 into 1 is 1. So what we have got, 12. 12 by 1 is 12. So this is the first part of number C. Now the second part of number C, see here 3 by 4 of, so we'll write 3 by 4 of, see 36 is given, so we'll write 36. Now 3 by 4 is multiplied by 36, Now here again we will consider as 1 as there is no digit. Now this 4 and 36 both comes in 4's table. So we can cut it, we can divide it by 4. So 4 ones are 4, 4 nines are 36. So what we are getting in the numerator, if you multiply 3 nines are 27. So 27, and if you multiply the denominator, then we'll get 1. So 27 by 1 means 27. So the answer of part 2 of number C is 27. Now the last part of number 5 is see 4 by 5 of 20. So here in the first one we have 4 by 5 of 20. Now 4 by 5 of means 4 by 5 will be multiplied by 20. Now here again we will consider as 1 in the denominator. Now both 5 and 20 can be cancelled by 5 as these two numbers comes in 5's table. So 5 ones are 5, 5 4s are 20. So what we are getting, if you multiply the numerator, 4 4s are 16, and if you multiply the denominator, then we will get 1. So 16 by 1 is 16. Okay, so this is the first part of number D. Now the second part of number D is 4 by 5 of 35. Okay, so that means 4 by 5 will be multiplied by 35, and in the denominator we can consider as 1 as there is no digit. Now this 5 and 35 both comes in 5's table. So what so by which number can we cut this? So 5 ones are 5, 5 sevens are 35. Both number can be divided by 5, right? Now if you multiply the numerator, we'll get 4 sevens are 28, and if you multiply the denominator, then we'll get 1. So 28 by 1 means 28. So answer of second part of number D will be 28. So in this way we will have to do the multiplication. Okay, thank you students.